Today is gonna be a special day. We are filming a Brekkie Brek episode, flying helicopters over Niagara Falls.
Good morning. Today we're flying in the helicopter. We decided to take the RV instead of the bus because you can't necessarily confirm that we would get there on time. So thanks, babe, for doing this early in the morning. He's not a morning person. It is a beautiful day for a helicopter ride, dude. It was like rainy the first day that we were here, and then overcast the second day, but still really humid. And now it's glorious. Thank you, Jesus. I'm super pumped about this. It's gonna be a good time.
Get to go on a really good adventure already.
That's right. We're here at the helicopters. It's gonna be awesome. Isn't that cool? Look how beautiful and like colorful everything is. Okay, we're going to transition inside of the building too, so we'll have to pause for you to adjust the lighting.
So what's happening now?
Right now, I'm saying, check out this helicopter hangar. Let's go meet the pilot. Okay, ready?
This is cool. Helicopters.
See
All right.
Brekkie Brek helicopter?
Nice. That's awesome. You excited?
Oh yeah.
That's really sweet.
We're gonna get in the aircraft, we're gonna buckle you in. I'm the pilot, okay? So listen to what I'm saying if anything's going on. And wish you guys a good flight, okay? Any questions for you? No? Okay, cool. First helicopter ride for all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, so who wants to see where?
Okay, guys.
Ooh, sit right here.
Say,
Hey, once I get everything fired up.
yeah.
And you're okay with that while we're flying?
Yeah,
Okay.
good.
Yeah.
It'll be somewhat noisy. But
Yeah.
Wow, you guys excited?
Yeah, his first helicopter ride.
Is it his first helicopter?
It's the second day of his life with a human, and it's his first helicopter.
There you go, pretty sweet.
So if you do need to, make sure you puke into a bag, okay? Don't puke all over the helicopter.
What?
Are you all set?
Yeah.
No turning back.
I'm turning back, baby.
Okay, you guys ready for some noise?
Yeah. Can you hear that?
What'd you guys think?
That was awesome.
Greta, what'd you think? Was that crazy?
It's still not popped yet.
All right, so we're wrapping up our helicopter tour video here. Man, that was crazy. It's so funny when we film stuff because we kind of just like start filming without realizing, or even like, well, we're not realizing, but without thinking about what we're doing. So even jumping in the helicopter, it was like, you don't get to think about it too much because well, at least me, I'm you know, film on Brexby and Brekkie Breck. So it's, you just like take off and all of a sudden we're in the air and I'm like, man, I didn't even think about this. We're like up in a helicopter in the air. It's so cool. So.
All right, that was an absolute blast. Kylan is getting a few more B-roll shots and then we're gonna head out. We've got a bike clinic today because it was postponed. There it goes. There they go. Anyway, we've got a bike clinic today. It's about 2 hours away, so we got to get back and pack up the trailer, add that to the back of our RV, and head on out.
It's so windy. I had to tuck in my shirt to my underwear. I also flip my hat around. My video today is officially late. So we had to film all that stuff this morning. So now we're back at the RV park. We've got to leave in a little bit because we got to jet over to that bag clinic. But I want to get this video uploaded still. So I'm actually going to go back on my bike to Starbucks. I don't know if you watched last night, you know, I went on a little adventure last night trying to find internet and was unsuccessful. So now I'm going to go to Starbucks, hopefully get this video uploaded fairly quickly so that I can come back here, get packed up, and head to the bike clinic.
So we're back here at the KOA. Kylan's gonna run to Starbucks really quick, but man, like how crazy is that we just got to ride in a helicopter over Niagara Falls? That's crazy. For our YouTube channel too. Like, oh my gosh, that's gonna be a good episode. I have a super colorful helicopter, super colorful gift shop and hangar and all that stuff. Very cool, man. I feel very blessed. It's crazy. It was beautiful. What an experience, and how gentle it lands, you know. He's been flying for 20 years and it's just like so beautiful and smooth, and then when he lands it's just like so dainty and delicate. Oh my gosh. Like incredible. Pre-BMX clinic nap.
Okay, well, email address.
Upstate BMX, baby, here we come.
Oh boy, I'm tired.
That's nice.
Felt good. I did everything on the track. All the jumps, all the rollers,
Yeah.
all the manuals. But feel like sheesh. Doing our story time next to the RV. They're getting ready for races out here. It's a bit of a smaller turnout today, but still fun out in the sun. This is our last stint here in New York, so this will be good.
Oh, let's check the lights.
Okay, bye BMX.
Bye.
Upstate BMX.
Yeah.
Wow, what a pretty area though. Holy cow.
It's gotta be good. It looks like we're riding to the dip down.
Hey. What is it? Oh, the BMX clinic was great. We had fun at Upstate BMX. Fun track. I enjoyed it. Actually rode a little bit. And then now we are headed to the host mom. What's up?
You're killing me with your animation.
Now we are going to drive all the way to our host mom.
Dude, first of all, it is so good to have you back, babe. Just burped. Anyway, Clinic was awesome.
It was awesome.
Super fun.
Super fun.
Heading to the host mom's house.
We're gonna head right there to the host mom's house.